Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when SFC scan is unable to repair msimsg.dll.mui. So on your Windows 10 or 11 computer when you run SFC scan, if it's unable to repair this, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run DISM command first and then run SFC scan. So you have to run this command first. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now run the first scan first. Paste it over here. The command is provided in the video description. Now once this scan is 100% complete, then you run the second scan. So just make sure this scan is 100% complete and then you run this second scan and then restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix it. Now still you are unable to fix it. In that case, update Windows using media creation tools. So if you have Windows 10, go to this link. If you have Windows 11, go to this link. So the links are provided in the video description. So for Windows 10 users, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run the exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see the screen. Click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next, and this will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer, and you should not face any kind of error when running SFC scan. Now if you have Windows 11, then copy this link, and here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download tool now. Now run this exe file. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file, then click on next. Set the location as desktop. You can save it to desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to the desktop. Here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will start checking for update. Then click on accept. And this process will take some time. Now again, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install. And by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. And next time when you run SFC scan, you should not receive this error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.